Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. Today I'm making avocado and tuna salad. So let's look at some of the ingredients I'm going to be using today for our salad. We have 2 avocados, 1 cucumber, some grape tomatoes, lime, feta cheese, light tuna fish that's packed in water, and Italian dressing. So we're going to start with chopping up our cucumber. I'm going to chop this cucumber into slices, and then after they're sliced, I'm going to quarter it up and add into my mixing bowl. Time for our grape tomatoes. You can also use cherry tomatoes, whatever you prefer. And I'm just going to slice these in half and then add to my bowl. So next up we have our avocado. I'm going to hold this in my hand as I cut it open. I do not recommend this. I do recommend using the chopping board, but this is how I always cut it, so you don't exactly have to follow me when doing this. You can just use your chopping board because it's safer. So this is funny, guys. I tried to do a professional move here and get that pit of the avocado out using the knife. I wasn't able to do that, so unsuccessful. So now I'm going to go ahead and slice up my avocado, and I'm going to slice it in a way where it's going to be cubed up and I don't have to slice it on the cutting board. So I decided to move the camera a little bit closer to the avocado and bowl. Sorry if you couldn't see that last little clip well. So now that I have all my vegetables in the bowl, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze over some lime juice. I have 2 limes that I've went ahead and cut up, but I'm not going to use both of them, just one, because the other one I'm going to use when I eat it, because even though while I'm cooking this or making this dish, I do squeeze the lemon juice over, I like to have extra lemon as I'm eating. Now it's time to add our tuna fish, and I'm just using a light tuna that is packed in water. And then I'm going to be adding some feta cheese, and I'm using the fat-free kind, and this is just feta cheese crumbles. You can choose to use this or not. If you don't like feta cheese, just leave it out. And then I'm going to be adding in some Italian dressing. And the one that I have here is a triple cheese. You don't have to get that one. You can just get the regular Italian dressing. It's all good. So after I put the Italian dressing on, I'm just going to go ahead and mix the salad together. So I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will try my recipe for the avocado tuna salad. It is delicious and very refreshing. And it's a meal that you can eat if you're dieting and you won't be hungry later. So I thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Mandy's Planet. Like and share, please. Doesn't this look amazing? Yummy. Time to go eat.